All right, if you got number 3 wrong, this should actually be really, really quick. So we're reviewing number lines, right? Now, what it says is which number line model represents the sum of 1 and 2500ths plus negative 7500ths. So, if I have a positive number, that means I'm moving the number to the right of the number line, right? So here I know that my number line has to be moving to the right, and if it's negative, that means you're moving to the left of the number line, right? You're decreasing if you move to the left. If you move to the right, you're increasing. So if I look over here, this saying 1 and 2500ths. So anytime you're starting a expression and you're expressing it on the number line, what you have to do is start at 0. So we're going to see, okay, 0 to 1 and 2500ths. That looks right. But here, this would be further to the right. Now, that's not correct because 7500ths is negative. So that doesn't make sense. So it can't be A. So let's look at B. Now it's saying 0, and we're moving to the negative part of 0. 1 and 2500ths is not negative, so it already can't be B. Okay? Now let's look at C. So it's saying we're going from 0 to 1 and 2500ths. Yes, this makes sense. And then we move to the left 7500ths, which is smaller, if you look over here, than 21 and 2500ths. So that would be correct. So C would be your right answer. So the most important thing here is to look at the direction of your arrows. If I see that this is moving twice to the right, I know that's wrong because I have a positive and a negative number. If I see it's moving twice to the left, I still know that's wrong because I know that this is a positive and this is a negative. One arrow needs to be at the right and one arrow needs to be at the left. So in these two, we know, okay, 0 goes to 1 and 2500ths. That's correct for the first step. And the second step says go left 7500ths. And so here you are going left by 7500ths. So remember that on a number line, okay, if you have a positive 1 and 2500ths plus a negative, which is 7500ths, the first one means you're going to the right of the number line because it's positive, and the second one means you're going to the left on the number line because this is negative.